In this video, I'm going to build bicycle mudguards and test them out. This isn't your regular mudguard design, so let's see if they really do work. For the build, the first step is to measure how long the mudguard should be. Cut a length of aluminium flat bar, 25mm by 1.6mm, and do a test fit, checking there's enough clearance between the tyre and the brakes. You could use thicker bar if you want. It would make it a bit tougher. Next step is to make the bracket that attaches the mudguard to the brakes and the forks. Measure the height of the bracket and cut out another piece of flat for the bracket. I bend it using a vise and a piece of wood. Then attach the bracket with 2 pop rivets. Double check the size of the brake bolt and the exact position for the hole to be on the bracket. Drill the hole in the bracket. I always use a smaller pilot hole first. This makes it a bit more accurate. Fit the guard to the bike. And check the clearance again at the brakes. Measure the length for the stays, ensuring you've got a good amount of clearance between the tyre and the guard. Add some extra for the width of the tyre, and you're going to bend a U-shape, as you can see in the picture. I added 44mm for this extra width, but this will depend on how wide your tyre is. Cut a length of aluminium flat bar for the stays. This is 12mm by 3mm, and mark the middle and the bend points either side of the middle, which are approximately 44mm apart. Then bend the bar to about 80 degrees on each side. This will give you the U shape. Mark the position of the first hole, then attach it to the bike with a bolt before marking the position for the second hole on the other side. When you do this, hold the stay dead center when you're marking the second hole so you get it exactly the right position. Then bolt the first stay to the bike and check the alignment and clearance again. All mudguards should really have at least 2 stays to hold the guard securely. Follow the same steps for the second stay, then attach the guard to the stays so they're evenly spaced. Use lock nuts and washers to make sure they don't come loose. For the rear mudguard, measure the length of the rear guard. I probably went a bit too long as it hangs off the back a bit too much, but see what you think at the end. Maybe you should do it slightly shorter. For the rear guard, it has a hook at the front to attach to the bike. So make another bracket for this. Attach it to the mudguard. Make another bracket for the brake in the same steps as you do for the front and attach it. Then attach the mudguard to the bike using the hook and the brakes bracket. Then go ahead and make 2 more stays for the rear mudguard, measuring the length for each and leaving a good clearance. Then bolt it all together and you're good to go. For testing the mudguard, it's hard to film mudguards in action as you're flying down the road, so I use the bike trainer to simulate riding through water. The back wheel runs through a bowl of water. And it picks up the water and it works really well. The first test is without mudguards, and as you can see, water flies everywhere. And then the next test is with mudguards. There's 2 views of this, so you can see how the rider's kept dry and any spray is deflected away. And the seat is totally dry. So I've tried the bike in rain as well, and the result's the same. So happy to say it's all a success. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up.